Hi guys, it's just doing a quick video on a problem I've been having with my iPhone 5. I noticed that the lock button isn't working very well. So I'm just wondering if anyone else has had the same problem. Basically, when I push the lock button, it only works about every other time. Um, This could be a hardware issue or software, I don't know for sure. Just trying to see if anyone else had the same issue. Again, yeah, see, doesn't turn off the screen. It kind of gets a little annoying after a while. Not really a major issue. If I push it enough times, the screen finally turns on, but as you can see, it's about every, well, yeah, so. Anyway, that's all I have for you. So let me know if anyone else has had the same issue. Thanks.